In this video, you'll learn how to hide your video for yourself only during a Microsoft Teams meeting. This feature is helpful if you want to stay focused, reduce distractions, or improve performance on your device, while still keeping your camera on for other participants. Let's get started. Join or start a Microsoft Teams meeting. Once you're in the meeting, move your cursor over your own video tile. On your video preview, click the three dots or right-click on your video, depending on your Teams version. From the menu that appears, select the option to hide your video for yourself. This will remove your own video preview from your screen, but other participants will still be able to see you normally. If you want to bring your video back on your screen, go to People, then click it and go to the three dot of your name, then select Unhide Me to show your video. Hiding your self-view does not turn off your camera and does not affect how others see you. It only changes what you see on your own screen. This option is especially useful during long meetings, presentations, or when you want to focus on shared content instead of your own camera feed. That's how to hide your video for yourself only during a Microsoft Teams meeting. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Microsoft Teams tips and tutorials.